Good morning, children. This is your English teacher here. Today we are going to learn the use of these and those in our sentences. Before we start today's class, let us revise the topics which we have learned in our previous classes. So in our previous class, we have seen that how do we use the words this and that in sentences. Where we use this we use the objects which are near to us or the things which are in our reach, isn't it? For example, the first one is this is a flower. That is, sunflower is an example to us. This is an ice cream. Here you are saying that the object is only one, a flower, an ice cream. Moving towards the third example. This is lotus. Means only one lotus or the object which is near to us. Next, spinach. This is spinach. It is good for health. This is a toy. Here you can see the objects are very near. Whereas coming to that, that, that is a car. The object is far. That is a hen. That is a book. Isn't it? Here, these objects, either these are near and these objects are far from the person, but these are used in singular way. Means only one. Now today we are going to learn about these and those. This is the continuation part for that, but here whereas we are using it for singular nouns, whereas these and those we use for plural nouns. These and those is used for plural nouns. Here examples based on these. These are pens. Second one, these are apples. Third one, these are bananas. Here, if we are saying the word these, it means that more than one. These are pens, more than one pen. Either 2 or 3 or more than it. These are apples. Apples and pens everyone knows, isn't it? Pens we use it to write and apples we eat it, isn't it? It's a fruit. These are bananas. Yes, everyone is aware of bananas too. These are flowers. These are benches. Here, if we are using the word these, it means it is in plural form. More than one. Let us see some more examples based on these. These are balloons. Examples based on those. THOSE, those. Plural form for the objects which are far. Those are books. Those are birds. Those are roses. Those are animals. Those are umbrellas. Here you can see that we use the word these and those. What's the difference? Here the objects which are near but in plural form. And whereas here the objects which are in plural form but which are far from the person. Let us learn some more examples based on these and those. Here, these are balloons. So here you can see that the boy is very near. These are balloons. Whereas coming to the second sentence, that is B, those are balloons. The balloons are far. These are birds. These are birds. Whereas B, that is those are birds. Third one, these are kites. Those are kites. Fourth one, these are apples. Those are apples. These are roses. Those are roses. Hope that everyone understood today's class. We shall meet in the next class. Thank you.